Brackets might look confusing at first, but they hold a simple and powerful idea in algebra. Today, we're going to learn how to expand brackets step by step and turn expressions into something much easier to understand. Once you understand the pattern, it becomes quick and simple. Whether you're just starting algebra or want to get better at it, this is a skill you'll use again and again. Let's break it down and make it easy.
Hello everyone, my name is Adeesha and welcome to this channel Learn with Adeesha. In today's video, we are going to be covering the topic of expanding because in the previous video, we have already covered simplification. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with this topic. It's actually quite a simple one. So, in today's video, we are going to cover two things. Single bracket expressions, such as this 3x bracket 4x plus 2y, and double bracket expressions, which are going to be like this 4x plus 2y the whole times 5a plus 2b. Okay, so we are going to be covering these two types of expressions in this one video. Now let's do it pretty quickly, okay? So first of all, to do this one, what we have to do is we need to take the out value, the outside term, which in this case is 3x, times these two terms, both of them. We can already assume that this 4x has a plus on it and this 2y has a minus. So it's going to be pretty easy to simplify or expand in this case. Now here's the thing. We are going to take 3 times 4 and x times x and do this with both of these. So 3 times 2 and x times y. So in this case we get 3 times 4, 12 times, plus x times x, which in this case is 12x squared. Oh yeah, times x squared, yeah. So now we do with this one, we already know that this is going to be a plus since both of these are plus. 3 times 2 is 6 and x times y is xy or yx, whatever you want to write. Now for this one, we're going to use a special method. First, outside, inside, last. So we're going to take this times this and this, and then this times this and this, using the same method here. Okay, so 4x times 5a, 4 times 5 is 20, x times a is xa or ax, whatever. Now 4 times 2 is plus 6, x times b is xb or bx. Now, moving on to this term, we use the same method. So 2y times 5a, 2 times 5 is 10, y times a is ay or ya. Now we do this times this, 2y times 2b, 2 times 2 is 4, and y times b is yb. Actually, surprisingly, this is all for the topic. Expansion is quite easy, and this kind of thing is only going to be covered later in this exact topic. Algebra, not algebra 1, algebra in general. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep studying. Goodbye.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next lesson.